Textual variants in 1 John 2:18. This phrase right here is where we find our variant. And just as you heard that Antichrist is coming, the variant's right here with the word hati, that. Right here's the evidence for hati, the reading in the text, divided by this double slash. So the next reading begins right here with hati ha. This is the addition of the definite article ha that goes with antichristos. So it would be the Antichrist. And then the last reading is simply ha instead of hati. So the reading in the text has been graded a B. That's reasonable confidence, but not as high as A. It's supported by these capital letter manuscripts. And this star on Aleph, Sinaiticus, means the original hand. When you see that, look for a corrector, and you see in the second reading we have Aleph 2. This is the second hand of Sinaiticus. Here are a couple of lowercase manuscripts, a lectionary, a translation, and then some church fathers. The reading hati ha is supported by the second hand of Aleph. That's a capital letter manuscript, an uncial. This group of lowercase manuscripts, minuscules, the Byzantine text, in particular manuscript K, the lectionary tradition, some versions, and notice the parenthetical statement that these may only support the reading hati. This is in particular because some languages do not have the definite article. Latin, for example, does not have an article, so you don't know for certain if they support this reading. So amongst this group we have some versions as well as some church fathers. This group right here is a group of modern language translations which have adopted this particular reading. The evidence for this reading ends with the double slash. And then the last reading, the article ha, is supported by a couple of uncial manuscripts, a minuscule manuscript, and a lectionary in 1 out of 2 readings.